Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will discuss a research article and the topic is regio and stereoselective thioethylation of olefin to access versatile alkynyl electrophiles. And the content contains introduction. In introduction we discuss basic terms, and the second one is the explanation. Third one is the conclusion. In introduction, we firstly discuss olefin. In organic chemistry, an alkene is an unsaturated hydrocarbon that contain a carbon-carbon double bond, and the word alkene and olefin are often used interchangeably. And the regioselective alkynyl electrophile synthesis for inactivated olefin, that is based on the direct and regioselective carbon hydrogen thioethylation reaction. And the third main point is selectivity is proposed to arise from an unusual inverse electron demand Diels-Alder reaction. Olefins are basically among the most useful building block in organic synthesis, but the direct synthesis of alkynyl electrophile from olefin is an unsolved problem. While olefin display carbon-hydrogen bond, and here is the carbon is the sp2 hybridized like arene. Their reactivity is distinct from arene when treated with electrophile, and arenes undergo electrophilic carbon-hydrogen substitution, while olefin typically undergo addition reactions such as dihalogenation to generate dihaloalkane. And here we define arene, and the arene are aromatic hydrocarbon with sigma bond to delocalize pi electrons between carbon atom, forming a circle, and the aliphatic compound like this delocalized. Its mean arene are aromatic compounds and having delocalized pi bond, pi electrons, but in aliphatic compound there is no delocalized pi electrons. And the regioselective functionalization of olefin by carbon hydrogen substitution to access them is not yet known. Next point is explanation. In this regio and stereoselective method that afford alkynyl electrophile directly from unactivated alkene by carbon hydrogen substitution. And here is the equation which shows the stereoselective carbon hydrogen thioethylation of olefin. In these different products are formed, and here the double capital T shows the thianthenium. The alkynyl sulfonium salt can serve as electrophile in palladium and ruthenium catalyzed cross coupling reaction to make alkynyl carbon-carbon, carbon chlorine and carbon bromine bond with the stereo retention cross coupling reaction. Now we define cross coupling reaction. A cross coupling reaction in organic chemistry is a reaction where two fragments are joined together with the aid of the metal catalyst. And the cross coupling reaction is a subset of coupling reaction and often used for arylation. And alkynyl halide, especially alkynyl bromide and iodide, are widely used alkynyl electrophile for cross coupling and other reactions. Their synthesis often require multi-step sequence. For instance, dibromination of alkene followed by the elimination of hydrogen bromide under harsh condition, or the pure synthesis of alkynyl nucleophiles such as alkynyl boronate, alkynyl silane and other metal species, followed by treatment with electrophilic halogen source. The other methods such as Stacke and Wittig olefination reaction often give E and Z mixture starting from aldehyde and ketone. In both two olefinations, the product are formed which is E or Z isomer, and both reactions are starting from aldehyde and ketone. First one is the tachyolefination. Tachyolefination in organic chemistry describe the organic reaction of an aldehyde with diorganochromium compound to form an alkene, and the main selling point is in the E configuration of the double bond. And here is the equation of tachyolefination. In this two isomers E and Z are formed with different ratios, and the second one is the Wittig reaction and also called Wittig olefination. Wittig olefination is a chemical reaction of an aldehyde and ketone with a triphenyl phosphonium halide to give as the alkene and triphosphine oxide. In Wittig reaction there are two main products. First one is the Z alkene and the second one is the triphosphine oxide. Olefin metathesis catalyst can sometimes access the Z isomer of alkynyl halide through cross metathesis, and the cross metathesis is synthetically equivalent to a procedure to ozonolysis of an alkene to two ketone fragment followed by the reaction of one of them with a Wittig reaction. In cross metathesis, different type of product are formed which are present in different ratios, and in this example the second product which is labeled has the highest ratio, and E alkynyl halide is some cases when bulky substituents are present in the starting material. Alkynyl electrophiles are available directly from the carbon-hydrogen functionalization of alkene to give alkynyl silane and bronate species, for example Michael acceptor, and the Michael acceptors like nitroolefin and alkynyl nitriles can also be synthesized from alkene. And Michael reactions, in Michael reactions nucleophilic addition reaction of carbonyl and other nucleophile to an alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound containing an electron withdrawing group, and it belongs to the larger class of conjugate addition. And here is the Michael addition reaction. In this a cyclic compound react with the ketone and form a product having a ketonic group, and which is passing through our different steps.